welcome to the 2020 Summer Shred Challenge. We are working our whole body in this 12 minutes HIIT workout today, and I've got 6 new episodes for you in this 4 weeks program that you can do at home. You can find a day-by-day schedule on my website, and do share your journey across YouTube, Instagram and TikTok. You are not alone in this. We've got an amazing community to help you to stay motivated. Now, smash that thumbs up button so this video reaches more people, and also leave a comment down below with your progress, and let's get started. We've got 20 exercises today, 3 sets, 30 seconds on and 5 to 10 seconds of rest. Let's get started with high knees. Bring your knee up to your hips level and remember to engage that core. For low impact, just take it nice and slow. Remember to push yourself, but don't feel pressure to perform at 100% if you can't. It's all about getting stronger. Next, we've got lunge from side to side while doing some arm crosses. If you can't go all the way down into a deep lunge, just go halfway. Adjust it based on your mobility and your fitness level. Alright, next we are going to do a skater jump combined with a windmill where you touch the floor. You can always do the low impact without the jump if you live in an apartment or don't have the space. You're still working your body, and that's all that matters. Alright, now get on a mat in a high plank position. We are doing one leg at a time. We're gonna lift it outwards to the side, then inwards, then across to the other side. Now repeat on the other leg. Slow and controlled, guys. Focus on your breathing and engage your core. If you need to take a little break, it's totally fine. Great work, guys. Now get upright and we're doing a squat followed by a twist to the side, then alternate sides. For low impact, just do it without the jump. Next, we're doing some burpees followed by 4 high knees. If you need a slight break or you're not a fan of burpees, just follow the low impact and take it easy. You can always go real hard on one of the next exercises. Great work, guys, you're doing well. Now get on the mat and we're doing some in and outs. Remember to breathe, exhale and squeeze your abs when you bring your legs in. Now you can take a longer break over here to catch your breath. It is okay to take a 2 minutes break if you need to. Now we're doing a push-up followed by a tap to your shoulders. If you can't do a push-up, that's okay, just do it on your knees. Now stay on the mat and we're going to hop inwards, then out, and then jack to the side. And repeat. Go at your own pace and follow the low impact if you need to. This exercise is amazing for your core, your arms, and your legs. Great work guys, we're almost halfway through the workout. Get upright and we're going to do a touch on the ground and hop and kick one leg forward. Make sure you're on a flat surface so you don't slip. This will really bring your heart rate up, so focus and go hard but also stay safe. Now on to the other side. Great work guys, now get on the mat and we're doing some tricep dip kicks. This works your arms, your legs, and your core, so remember to engage them. If you can't do the little jump in between the kicks, it's totally fine, just do the low impact version. Now flip around and get into a high plank position. We're doing some plank walks. If you need a break or find this too hard, it's totally fine. Just do a plank hold with occasional rest. This is the last exercise for this set and you can take a longer break before the next set. So go hard on this exercise if you can. Well done guys, just 3.5 more minutes to go. Feel free to take a longer break if you need to. Now get upright and let's push through this. We're doing a curtsy lunge followed by a kick to the side. Now let's move on to the other side. Alright, 5 more exercises to go, guys. Next, we've got cross dabs. Go as hard as you can. Remember to engage that core so you're doing the exercise in the right form. Get on the mat in a high plank position, and we've got groiners next. You can do the low impact if you're feeling tired, but just don't give up. Not when you're this close to finishing the workout. You've got this, guys. Come on. Nicely done, guys. Now get upright and we're doing a squat followed by a kick to the side. Alright, next we've got some low kicks. Just give this all you got and burn out all that energy you've got. We are almost at the end. For low impact, just do the kick without the jump. We've got no rest here, and the final exercise is rope climbers. It's just like high knees, but imagine that there's a rope that your hands are grabbing as well. Let's wrap up this workout. And that's the workout, guys. Get yourself some water and move on to the next workout or cool down in the schedule. Do smash the thumbs up button and leave a comment down below if you have a good sweat session, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!